The idea to print a tool was not very evident at first. For a very long time, we tried practically everything that was available in the market. We did our trials time and again, until we finally said, okay, that procedure can be something for our customers, because we find specific advantages there. Generally speaking, the printing of such a tool takes approximately 12 to 24 hours, and then the part is completely finished and can be put into operation immediately. That means we assemble it directly on the machine, and hence can produce the initial parts on it. The costs can be significantly reduced. The most cost-effective materials fetch an advantage of up to 80%. This has resulted in a part that is much better suited for a test because it says it all about the performances of the final part. This can be applied to all Iglador materials. All in all, it's a method that helps to speed up and simplify our customers' development process significantly. Our goal and vision is that we have no more limits in the foreseeable future.